Kneel up in your chair. Come on. Get up here. That's the price you have to pay to stay in the house.
Might get some of that smell off her. It's probably killing her.
Shoo!
Her nose.
Smell this dry.
I smell it from over here. She come through here. You know her. She's got senses.
I know that.
Now, because she tracks rabbits and animals.
But it's not going to kill her.
Do you like it?
What?
The smell? Yes or no?
Hmm?
She says.
Okay.